Hello everyone and welcome back to Your Values. Today is a video about all the symptoms, all little things in your life that could be very heavy to carry and very tiring, that are not very painful and stop you from doing things, but are just really bothering you every day, and that might be due to some blockage within you. For instance, all the neck and jaw zone. When I had my emotions blocked, I realized it was my throat and heart chakra. All my emotions were blocked and I needed to fill my body with emotions. So I would use drugs, food, alcohol. When it unblocked, I didn't need to compensate anymore because I was filling my body with emotions, accepting my emotions, and I was meditating to do so. How did it manifest? Well, I used to have bigger jaw, much bigger jaw, because I would eat a lot and I would, at night, tighten my jaw. And sometimes you feel your posture, you're just like that. And then you realize, why? Why am I doing that? You're tense over here. And you see with time, if you meditate and try to unblock mentally, it's all mental. Free your emotions and free your experience, things you're holding inside, you're going to feel much better. Also, in the hips, all the negative energy get blocked in your hips. Now, at some point when I had a lot of blocked energy, same, I couldn't have any sexual activity. So when it's unblocked, sometimes it's painful. So you feel blocked when you try to do exercises. It might be that. So just meditate again. Try and eat foods of the color of the chakra that's blocked. It's written in my book. And then also you have a lot of being very tired all the time, overthinking, blurred mind. These are things, if you've tried anything, food, medication, vitamins, supports, and it's not changing anything, might come from these energy imbalances. And also, one of the things, shortness of breath. This happens when your heart chakra is on block and your posture, put your shoulders back. This happened when I did meditation and yoga. It healed me instantly. Now I'm feeling very free of move. I can move around freely and very happily. So just simple things like that might change. If you have any other questions, or you would like me to have a less brief video and be a bit more pointy on one subject, I'd be very happy to do so. In the meantime, have a beautiful day and see you soon on Your Values.